1 month passed and a lot of people are still without the internet connection through the broadband satellite service. But what happened? All started on February the 24th at 5:28 a.m. Italian time. And it happened 18 minutes later, the invasion of the Russian army in Ukraine. So what happened? Someone supposed that the satellite service has been hacked to reduce the availability of the internet service in a rural area in Ukraine. But all the other countries in Europe are affecting of this bug. Technically, the bug is related to the CPE, so the device on premise in the customer place that has been bricked through a backdoor or a bug that allowed to load on it a fake firmware. So this fake firmware destroyed the CPE, so the customer is not able anymore to access the service. And the solution is only one: replace the device at the customer place. And this is a huge problem because the warehouses are not able to manage all this request that is coming. And so now, after 1 month, a lot of people are still experiencing an out of service for the internet broadband service. We hope that it will be fixed soon. It is not affecting all the CPEs of all the customers, because some CPEs are not affected to this bug. And for example, the airplane, the flights are not affected by this problem, nor from the first day, because for policies, airplanes are not allowed to update remotely the devices. So this event is not blocking the service, the internet service on the flights. So at the moment, we got some data from colleagues, and around 3% of customers are back. So they used to have a kind of CPE that were able to update the software with the new one. But all the other CPEs are bricked, so they need to be replaced, and this is an hard work.